Good morning. I'm Ansh Goel, and today I'm here to pitch the idea for my project. And the name of my project is Garbage Reporter. So, the components that are going to be used in my project will be the Raspberry Pi, an Arduino Nano, a buzzer, two LEDs, an ultrasonic sensor, and two resistors. So, this is kind of an initial thought process of how the project is going to work along with its design, or what it will look similarly to what it will look after it's finalized. And this project will be placed on a dustbin rather than a dustbin being added on it. So, it is very handy and can be taken out whenever needed. So, how will it be used? And the main function of this project is to monitor when a trash or dustbin can gets filled using an ultrasonic sensor, and it will also inform the user that no more garbage can be filled in the dustbin by sounding an buzzer and changing the color of the LED, which is green, indicating that dustbin garbage can be filled in the dustbin, to red, meaning that no more garbage can be accommodated in the dustbin. It will also inform the authorities that the garbage has been filled by sending the collected data from the ultrasonic sensor to them through a server. So, what is the need for this project? Well, the primary focus for this project is for public places where most of the population can be found. It will ensure more cleanliness and hygiene by using dustbins in a very effective way. Also, it will ensure the authorities to have a more grip on focusing to clean the trash bins regularly after they get filled, rather than leaving them there and more garbage is filled over them, making the place stink. It will also encourage common people to use dustbins more, as they will get clean regularly rather than spilling garbage if they can't find an empty dustbin, and rather than spilling then it to the roads. I hope this idea will be of use to many people and it can help the society in a better way. Thank you.